The all-new Nissan Navara Pro-4X Warrior is finally here in Australia. Premcar Australia have taken a normal Pro-4X Navara and converted it into the ultimate off-road machine. With suspension tweaks and bull bars, there's much more about this car than just looks. My name's Sam from Hobart Nissan, and today I'll be running you through our lovely stealth grey Nissan Navara Pro-4X Warrior. The Pro-4X Warrior comes with a lot of aesthetic upgrades. You get a hoopless steel bull bar as standard that's winch compatible and with a built-in LED light bar. You also get black fender flares for added beefiness and even exclusive black Nissan badging for the Pro-4X range. You get quad LED projector lamps that are very bright overnight and some 17-inch black alloy wheels with Cooper Discoverer all-terrain tyres for the ultimate off-road performance. Towards the rear and sides, you get some exclusive Warrior stickering and a Pro-4X Warrior sticker on the rear tub. You get an embossed Navara tailgate with a rear step design with built-in rear sensors, LED tail lights and a factory tow bar. The passengers will be comfortable in some leather-scented seats with a centre fold-down armrest with 2 cup holders. The rear passengers even get their own USB-C point and air vents. Up the front is where all the action happens. With improved cabin space, a new steering wheel design and a very classy interior, the Pro-4X Warrior comes with new leather seats and some exclusive Warrior headrests, as well as that exclusive black Nissan badging on the all-new steering wheel design. You get multi-function steering wheel controls with the option to cycle through things on your 7-inch advanced drive assist display in between your 2 dials, including a digital speedo with compass. You also get a drive mode selector in automatic versions to change the way the car drives. You get dual zone climate control for added comfort and an 8-inch touchscreen that can display a built-in TomTom navigation system, audio controls, or even intelligent around view monitor, which uses 4 cameras around the car to give you a bird's eye view. You also get built-in Apple CarPlay and Android Auto features as well when you plug in your device. The Warrior comes with 4-wheel drive high, 4-wheel drive low and a rear diff lock, and when in 4-wheel drive low, an off-road monitor to view what's around you. You get Navara stamped red bash plate with a 3mm steel second stage protection plate providing tough additional protection when off-road. You also get a suspension and track lift which gives you a 40mm total suspension lift and enables increased ground clearance for improved off-road capability. The suspension has been tuned to provide optimum performance with new front and rear spring dampeners and joints bumpers. Track width has increased from 1570mm to 1600mm, improving handling, cornering and stability. It's not just the suspension and capability that have been beefed up. The new Pro-4X Warrior by Premcar is actually taller, wider, longer and tougher than the normal Pro-4X. The Warrior's tough looks match its capability and it's ready to tackle Australia's harshest conditions. The Warrior is also protected by Nissan Intelligent Mobility, which uses a radar sensor in the front to give you forward collision alert warning with intelligent emergency braking. You also get lane departure warning as standard and blind spot warning as well to let you know when cars are in your blind spot. Not only that, you also get rear cross traffic alert, so when you're pulling out from parks, you won't crash into anyone. Last but not least, the Warrior is driven by a 2.3 litre twin-turbo diesel that has 140 kilowatts of power and 450 newton meters of torque, ready to tow 3.5 tonnes and give you great fuel economy at the same time. And there we have it, the Nissan Navara Pro-4X Warrior. Ready to tackle the harshest Australian conditions, this vehicle is an absolute beast. Be sure to give us a call on 6213 5460 to find out more about the Navara Warrior, or even come down to Hobart Nissan to find out why more people are choosing to buy their Nissan Navaras from Hobart Nissan. I look forward to seeing you soon.